Hey guys, I'm Maddie and welcome to another AFI business tip video. In today's video, I will be going over how to make fragrance oils water soluble. As you may know, oil is not soluble in water. So I picked out this fragrance oil from our library to pour into some water to demonstrate the effects. You can see that the oil and water don't mix well together and there will be separation between the two. To avoid the separation of oil and water, all you have to do is add our surfactant. In order for the surfactant to work properly, you should use a ratio of 70% surfactant to 30% fragrance oil. One thing to note is that the surfactant will also act as a cut in your fragrance, so keep that in mind in regards to fragrance strength. Let's see how the surfactant changes things. First, make sure to stir your surfactant well before adding the fragrance. Then, add your fragrance into the surfactant and mix well. Now we can add our water. In this mixture, our product will be 10% mix and 90% water. Keep mixing your solution until it's clear, like this. This is how you can make any fragrance water soluble. Just look at the difference. There are thousands of different surfactants on the market, so don't worry if you run into this problem. You can always contact us and let us know what product you're working with, and we'll be happy to help you find the right surfactant. If you do not want to use a surfactant, you can always use a water-soluble fragrance instead. Here at AFI, we have tons of water-soluble options for your fragrance needs. That's all I have for you guys today, and if you found this video helpful and want to learn more about fragrance oils, make sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, click the bell icon so you can be notified for all of AFI business tip videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!